Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy at home. Yes, very good. So today onwards we are going to start our new block. Block 5. How does a seed grow? Okay? This week we will learn about seeds and the garden. We will listen to an interesting story. We will go out in the garden to see what a garden is. We will sow seeds and watch them. Okay, are you ready? Right. So, now I will tell a story. Listen carefully. Here is the story. What is the story name? Jack and the Beanstalk. What is the story name, beta? Jack and the Beanstalk. So, who is Jack in this picture? He is Jack. What is his name? Jack. So, what happened to Jack? We'll see in the story. Jack sold his cow in exchange for some magical beans as he had no money. So, what happened? Jack not having money, so he want to sell his cow. So, he is taking this cow to sell. So, he is going to market with this cow. So what happened? Suddenly he met with an old man. So this old man took this cow. Instead of money, he gave some magical beans to Jack. Next, what happened in the story, we'll see. Jack took the beans and went to home. After going home, he showed the beans to his mother. Jack's mother did not know what to do with the beans, so she threw them out of the window. You can see in this picture. After going home, Jack given these magical seeds to his mother. So his mother told, what we will do with these seeds? If you bring money, we can buy food and clothes. We can't do anything with these seeds, no? She told like that, and she threw the seeds through the window outside. So next, what happened? After that, what happened, beta? Jack went to sleep. When Jack looked out of the window, the next morning he saw a huge beanstalk going all the way past his house and right up to the sky. See, you can see what happened. Next day morning, when Jack woke up, he came outside. He saw outside through the window. What he saw, beta? He saw a huge beanstalk. You can see huge beanstalk. Yes, going all the way past his house. You can see past his house and right up to the sky. Here are the clouds, you can see. Okay, so next, what happened? He started climbing up the beanstalk. So what happened? He came out from the house and he started climbing. You can see in this picture, he's climbing here. He started climbing up the beanstalk. He went up and up and up till he reached the very top. So he started climbing and he went up and up and up till he reached the very top. Okay. So next, what happened? There he found a big house. Where? Top. Okay. There he found a big house in which a giant lived. Who is he? Giant. In the big house, who will live? This giant. On hearing Jack's story, Giant said, Fee fee fo fum, a little man on the run. All he needs is a bag of gold to buy the cow that he once sold. So after listening Jack's story, he gave bag of gold coins. To whom he gave? He gave to Jack. You can see in this picture who gave this? Giant. After listening Jack's story, Jane gave this bag of gold coins to buy his cow back. Jack took the bag of gold and bought back his cow. So what happened? After taking bag of gold coins from Jane, he bought back his cow. He also bought some food and clothes with the gold coin. So next, what happened? What he bought, beta? He bought back his cow and also he bought some food and clothes with the gold coins. You can see now he is wearing new clothes. Yes. Now Jack was happy, right? So next what happened in the story we'll see. So, but soon he had no gold left. Means gold coins are finished. Jack sold his cow once more, but he used that money too. He climbed up the beanstalk to ask the game to help him. So what happened, beta? That all gold coins are finished. Again the Jack one more time he sold his cow and that money also finished. So again what he did? Again he climbed up the beanstalk. Again he went near the giant to ask help, right? So what giant said now this time we'll see. The giant said, Fee fee fo fum, a little man on the run. All he needs is a bag of gold to buy the cow that he once sold. So again this giant is giving gold coins. So Jack asked the giant to give him something else to help him earn money. So what Jack is saying this time? This time I don't want money. Give me something else to help me earn money. The kind giant gave Jack a harp. You can see in this picture. This time na giant given a harp. You can see this. This is a harp. So next Jack was so good at playing the harp. You can see here Jack was so good at playing this harp that people paid him money to hear him play. So when Jack was started playing this harp, all the people are gathered here and listening that, enjoying that music, right? So all the people gave money to Jack. Jack lived happily ever after with his mother. He never had to visit the giant again. So again he didn't went near the giant. Why? This time he is earning money with this harp. When he play this harp, all the people are gathering and listening. So when they listen and when they enjoy this music, they are paying money. So they are giving money. With that money, Jack was very happy with his mother. So again he didn't went near giant. So what did you understand from this story, beta? If we work hard, we will earn everything, right? Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.